Hi everybody, today I will show you how to mention all members in WhatsApp group. So, there are two ways to do this, using the mention all shortcut or manually tagging specific members. I will show you both. So, to do this, first open your WhatsApp group and tap on the message box to start typing. Type the symbol and a list of group members will pop up above the keyboard. At the very top of that list, you'll see an option that says mention all. So it will say mention all members in this chat. Simply tap it and WhatsApp automatically tags every single member in the group with one tap, saving you from selecting each person individually. Now, simply click send and everyone in the group will be tagged. Now, method 2 is manually mentioning specific members. If you want to tag a certain people instead of the whole group, type the symbol and start typing the person name. As you type, WhatsApp filters the member list and choose matching names. Tap on a name to tag them, click send, and they'll be tagged. One thing to keep in mind, mentioning someone sends them a special notification even if they've muted the group. So it's a great way to make sure an important message doesn't get missed. So that's how you mention all members in a WhatsApp group. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.